Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we have the legendary Sonic. Yeah, and this little RC is legendary. This is the first RC that I bought. It was a great deal. Amazon special, Amazon Prime Days. So this was $55. It's 2S, it's brushless, came with street tires and these paddle tires. So this is the first RC I ever had to have paddles. So this is like the first paddle tires I actually ever had, because I don't really buy tires for my car. So I wanted to take this thing to the beach and run it, and yeah, things didn't go as planned. But this little RC had so much spirit. I put money into it, got it rebuilt. I've driven it since then, and it's done great. But today I have a different beach, and hopefully the outcome is going to be a whole lot better for the little legendary Sonic. Dude, this is such a cool freaking RC. And you know, I think the whole point of this video is going to be, do you have to spend a lot of money to get an RC? No, you don't. I was going to try to do this in some other way and show a variety of other cars, and maybe I still will, but you know, for today, just take a look at the Sonic and keep it away from the water there. Now, it's unfortunate. I don't think Legendary is still around. I'm not sure. But as we know, we've seen basically, you know, they make a car and several people slap their name on it. You know, Arlo ZD Racing. You know, and I think it was on Boom Toys. I don't know. I'll put a link. I'll check it when I get home. I'll put a link up there. I believe Bone Toys has some cars that look exactly like this and the other legendary cars. So there is hope. I think they might still be around. It's either that or it's like Maker Fire, but I'm thinking Bone Toys. It could be Hobby King too. I can't remember 100%. Yeah, I end up putting way too much money in this RC, but man, I felt so bad after it went swimming in the Gulf of Mexico, and it still worked. Look at the wheelies on 2S, man. Little brushless setup. Yeah, once I've tried to flush it out with fresh water. I really did. I tried, but you know, once that salt dried, that was it. It just shorted everything. It just shorted everything. There was like no getting it back at that point. Look at this little thing, man. It is tough. I like this little RC, man. You know, it went from a great deal, you know, 55 bucks. And I think I put almost that much into getting it running again, but hey. Oh well. I like this RC. I kind of got a bond with it now. You know, I was if you guys seen the video, go watch it. I was standing there, and I didn't realize like it was gonna disappear over the dune like that, and I turned the wheel to the right and kept on throttling it, thinking like it'll come back around, and then I didn't see it. So I stopped, and everything was safe, but right where it stopped, I couldn't get to it before the wave grabbed it. But I went in, shoes and everything, man. I wasn't about to lose my little RC. Suspension's a bit rough on this thing, but oh, we're getting too close to that water. The thing's bouncy as all. But I still like it, man. I like this little RC. Been looking for some sand to run this thing in. Here we go. Finally got it. And you know, honestly too, if it did go in that, this is a lake, it's fresh water, it would survive. So anyhow, man, do you have to spend a lot of money to be in the hobby? No. Look, this was 55 bucks. Came with about everything you needed, man. It has 2 batteries in there. You can run one at a time, or like this is they're hooked together for an extended run time. Transmitter, everything. I mean, I think the only thing you really needed was like maybe 4 AA batteries. Or I think this only runs on 3. Yeah, 3. Look, it even saves you battery. There we go. I'll tell you what, this little car's got some dang power, man. It's got some freaking power. I got another legendary. I mean, it's a 10 scale, 1/10 scale. It was like $100. It's brushless. It was a freaking great little RC. You know, not the most durable thing in the world, but I mean, just as long as you're not trying to skate park it, I think you'd be all right. You know, honestly, like my preference, I really like larger scale stuff. 6S is about like my sweet spot. I really like my 6S Creighton, the Asuga. I know I'm missing a few out there, but yeah. But you know, being a channel, the whole point of my channel is I'm just sharing my love for the hobby. That's why you don't see me out there plastering my videos on a bunch of Facebook groups and yeah, and I don't really do that much with. I have an Instagram, I have a Facebook page. I really don't even do that much with those. I like seeing a channel grow. I mean, yeah, it's cool, but it's not like that priority for me. So I mean, I appreciate those of you that subscribe and do all that great stuff, help me grow the channel just organically without shoving it. Good grief, that'd be the wife. Let's see. Oh, that was sweet. I'm not really sure what this is. If this is like a pool or something, or oh no, it's a weekday, so ain't much going on here. Oh, this freaking probably shouldn't really run these paddle tires too much on this, huh? Well, like I said, man, for the price, 50 bucks, 55 bucks when I got it. Even comes with off-road tires, not just paddle, off-road. The only thing I don't like is when you take the tires off, there's no actual like hex. A lot of times what you have is a pin that holds the hex in there, and then the hex locks in the wheel. This thing just uses a pin, and the pin locks into like a little tiny slot in the wheel. That's kind of horrible because I've already done it to like 2 of these things. You miss getting it on, and you tighten the wheel down, and you end up bending that little pin. Yeah, let's not go swimming again. But yeah, anyhow, so yeah, even though these aren't really like my favorite things, I mean, this has its place, its time and place for me. Like today, I traveled here. I'm up in Alabama. This is a state park. So room was limited in the car. So I was able to throw this in there and have some fun, man. Shoot a video for you guys. Man, I just don't want people to get so hooked on that they need like the big expensive cars. And you know, I see it time and time again, like people buy an X-Max and the first thing they say, oh yeah, and you got to put this ESC in there, and you got to put all this stuff in there, and you got to gear this. And you ain't got to go crazy with all that stuff. Just plus you really don't even need to spend like $1,000 to come out here and have fun. $55, I bet just put a smile on your face just about as much as the X-Max. Now granted, the X-Max is cool. Yeah, I got one. It is cool. It is a cool RC. But you know, if you don't have the means, I mean, $1,000 a lot of money. And then you got two 4S packs if you don't have them, and then you need a heavier duty charger, a 4S charger. So you could be like $1,500 just trying to get one running. So guys, it's all just about having fun, man. That's, you know, like I said, that's why I do the channel. Just share my love of the hobby, try to get others interested in it, because I think it is a dying thing. People aren't really wanting to go outside anymore. Just sit inside, do video games and social media, and even though this isn't physical stuff, man, it's like coming out here having fun. And I'll tell you what, man, the people that I meet out here, then they put the smile on their face, they watch these things, and they're like, how fast? Like the number one question, how fast? How fast is that? They just can't believe like how well these things move. And then when you do something like that, people think, oh man, for sure it's broke. But no, it's not broke. Well guys, I'm gonna head back to the car. I do have one more video I want to shoot out here with another RC. Take advantage of a different space to film something cool. But I want to kind of show you a different stuff this RC can handle. Dude, this thing is got some damn power for a small RC. Freaking unreal. Oh, it's sliding on these, on the pine needles. Let's see, can we make it? It made it, but I got turned around. I need a gyro. All right, come on, dude, you made it once. See, it's all me. It bounced and frick yeah, that's damn awesome. Oh man, I need to shoot a thumbnail. Let's return. I'll be back. Stand by 1 second. Well guys, you know, I have a lot of RC cars, and you know, the larger ones are about my favorite, but I tell you what, man, I get a lot of enjoyment out of running something like this. It's small, it's fun, it's fast. This thing's got so much power. It's very inexpensive, and it's a great gateway into the hobby if you don't have the money, or maybe even if you don't want to invest. Maybe you have money for something, but you're not sure. You don't want to spend $1,000 or even $600 and have it sit on a shelf. This is a good gateway drug into the hobby. So, oh, what's going on? I'm getting this flickering on my screen here. Huh, that's weird. I hope it's not on the damn video there. Oh boy. Anyhow, like I said, you don't have to spend a whole lot of money to have fun in the hobby. So go ahead, spend a couple bucks, get you something decent. I'll try to find a link. If I find where this is at Boom Toys or whatever it is, I'll leave a link in the description. There's also other links down there. Got discount codes, so go ahead and scroll through that. And if you're interested in doing any shopping on Amazon, Amy, all that, use one of my links down there. I get credit for directing you to those sites, and it helps me buy these RCs to keep the channel running, because I put more money in the channel than I ever make on YouTube. It's greatly appreciated. So those of you that do that, thank you very much. Because, you know, I got this for a camera, SD cards, new camera, batteries for all this stuff. So it adds up. But appreciate you guys doing that, help me keep this channel running. All right, so like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Take care. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.